I thought buying from an AA approved dealer would mean my second-hand car was reliable. There was a whining sound that the dealer assured me was not from a mechanical cause, and he told me Mercedes don't rot, but there was some significant corrosion. Just a quick video to show why I'm taking the car back to the dealer. There's this whining sound. Which clearly shouldn't be there. When I got the car back, the whining sound had gone, but the belt was getting shredded. One of the suspension springs broke. Also, the dealer had told me he'd replaced a speaker because it had been making a grinding sound, and I'd complained to him about it. So the car dealer told me he got this speaker replaced because of the grinding sound it was making. Lo and behold, it's still making a grinding sound. And looking at that, that doesn't look like a new speaker. And that is basically the sound it's making instead of making music. The dealer told me I had to get the tensioner changed to stop the belt getting shredded, so I got that done, but it didn't solve the problem. So we finally gotten to the bottom of why the belt was getting shredded. It's because the dealer's mechanic fitted the wrong air conditioning compressor. This is the one they fitted. My mechanic changed it for the right one. They do look almost the same, but this bit sticks out a bit more on this, which was why it was shredding the belt. I would have been within my rights to tell the dealer to get this sorted, but he pretty much complained to me that the warranty that he supplied me didn't cover the whole cost of changing the air conditioning compressor, and he told me I should have taken it to another mechanic instead of taking it back to him. So basically he didn't want to cover the costs of selling me a car with a defective part, and then all the stuff that happened after that. Plus I didn't really trust him after all of this, so I thought I'd just get my own mechanic to sort it out. I've been driving the car for about a month now and the belt is fine, so I know this was the actual problem.